Do you want to make highlights on Instagram? You can add highlights on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make highlights on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now, under your bio section, tap on the plus new button in the story highlights section. A new screen will appear showing all your archived stories. From here, select the stories you want to add to your new highlight by tapping on them. After selecting, tap on Next at the top right corner of the screen. Now, you'll be asked to name your highlight. Enter a title for your new highlight. Lastly, tap Done at the top right corner. Now, your Instagram highlight will appear below your bio.